Hi, welcome to the Mathematics in my channel. Today we are going to find the square root of 4 matrix. Okay, first I am going to take A is equal to 2 by 2 matrix 2 2 2 2. Well, now we are going to find the eigenvalues. So we can write lambda I minus A is equal to here lambda minus 2 minus 2 minus 2 lambda minus 2, and this is equal to 0. Well, now we can simplify this. So here lambda minus 2 times lambda minus 2 and minus 2 times minus 2 plus 4. So here we have minus 4 and this is equal to 0. Well, now here lambda square minus 4 times lambda plus 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. Now this 4 get cancelled and we can write lambda times lambda minus 4 is equal to 0. So eigenvalues are 0 or 4. Well, now we have two distinct eigenvalues, so it's diagonalizable matrix. Well, now we are going to find the eigenvectors. So when lambda is equal to 0, we can write null space of minus 2 minus 2, here also minus 2, here lambda going to 0, so also minus 2. Well, now here minus 2 and if we subtract this is going to 0 0. Well, now we can write minus 2 0 0 vector xy is equal to 0 0. Well, now minus 2 times x, so minus 2 times x minus 2 times y is equal to 0. Now we have x is equal to minus y. Well, now we know the span of here 1 minus 1. Well, now when lambda is equal to 4, so lambda is equal to 4, null space of now lambda is equal to 4, so 4 minus 2, so 2 minus 2 minus 2, 4 minus 2 2. Well, now we can write this is equal to null space of here 2 minus 2, and if we sum this here 0 0. Well, now we can write this is the span of sorry, before it here if we take 2 minus 2 0 0 vector xy, this is equal to 0 0, and now 2 times x, so 2 times x minus 2 times y is equal to 0, so x is equal to y. Now we can write a span of 1 1. Well, now we found the eigenvectors, so now we can write p. Now we can write the matrix P, which matrix of the eigenvectors. So P is equal to here P is equal to 1 minus 1 and 1 1. Okay, now we found the eigenvalues, so diagonalizable matrix D, we can write 0 0 0 because eigenvalues, one of eigenvalues is 0 and other one is 4. Well, now we know A is equal to PDP inverse. Now we talked about in a previous video. If you like to watch, I will add the link in description. So a to the n is equal to p d to the n p inverse. Now here d to the n, so if we take d to the n, we can write 0 0 0 4 to the n. Well, now we know a to the n is equal to, now p is equal to 1 1 minus 1 1, and d to the n is equal to 0 0 0 4 to the n, and here p inverse, so p is matrix 1 1 minus 1 1, so p inverse is equal to 1 minus minus 1, so 1 over 2, and here 1 1, so 1 1, and here plus 1, so minus 1 1. Well, now here a to the n, so now we need to a to the 1 half. Here n is any real numbers, so we can write this is equal to 1 1 minus 1 1, and here 0 0 0 4 to the 1 half times 1 minus 1 1 1. Well, now we can write this is equal to, here square root of 4, so we know square root of 4 is equal to plus or minus 2. Now we have two values, so if we take plus 2, so we can write a to the 1 half is equal to 1 1 minus 1 1, here 0 0 0, here plus 2 1 over 2 1 minus 1 1 1. Well, now we can simplify this, so if we multiply this, here 1 1 minus 1 1, and here we will have 0, so 0 0, and 0 times 1, so 2 times 1 2 over 1 over 2, so here 1, and here 2 over 2, so 1. Well, this is equal to, now if we multiply, so 1 1 1 1. Well, this is the one of square root, and now we need to find if minus 2, so we can write here a to the 1 half is equal to 1 1 minus 1 1, here now 0 0 0 minus 2, here 1 half times 1 minus 1 1 1. Well, now we can simplify this, so 1 1 minus 1 1. Now if we multiply this, here 0 0, so 0 0, here minus 1, also minus 1, and now if we multiply this, we will have here minus 1, also minus 1 minus 1 minus 1. Well, now we found the square root of a is equal to 1 1 1 1 0 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1. Well, this is the answer to square roots. So if you like this video, please subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching.